welcome to Code Express. My name is Marshall Ndwemi, the author and the one who make Code Express and make things happen in Code Express. This is my long-time, one-time video. We did something great, so I decided to pump in this script called Nairaland. It's been mostly rewarding script, and it's the most popular script I have designed so far. A lot of people have been demanding this Nairaland script, so I decided to make and I guess a lot of people have been making use of the Nairaland script, like the Kenyans, 24.com and other websites so far has been largely making use of script. So today I'm going to show you how you can install this Nairaland script on your server for 30 days trial. After your payments on your subscription to the Nairaland script, you will be able to use the version for free for 1 year. So this script actually comes to 1 year subscription. After the first time payments of the 50,000 naira, then you can subsequently pay or annually pay your 20,000 naira. Actually, when you get the script, when you are installing the scripts, you will be given you will give your website URL to the admin, to the developer, to activate your site. If not, you cannot use the script. So after you have installed the script, you will give your website address, be it localhost or your server, to the developer from where you downloaded from, or be it could be Facebook, anywhere you can give them your address. After giving them the address, then they can activate your website address for you. Then after then, boom, you're good to go. So after 30 days, your website will be shut down automatically without notice, or they will probably notify you that your website is going to expire. So let's not do long talk here, and let's go straight to the business. So I have my this is my website called codeexpress.blogspot.com. You can go to Nairaland script for everyone. As you can see, you can download it from here. It's been most popular, one of the topics so far. So you click on it. So this is a Nairaland script for everyone. It's free, so you can see it's mobile friendly as well. Everything seems good. You can change the color, the logo, and everything you want to do. Then look at the features you will have from the script, and there are more that are coming in. So every year, every month, you are going to be having updates. So those updates are going to be given to you free. So you can download the script from here. So first time so far, you will be required to download the script. After entering your email, you have to register your email with us. So after registering the email with us, you'll be given opportunity to download the script. And if you're having difficulty downloading the script, please let me know. Alright, so first of all, you have to have your example or LAMP if you're using Mac on your OS. So you have to download your example as your server. So if you don't have anything concerning that, or you don't have any idea at all, then you can Google it, example for PHP, just say example. Then you can download the exam from here. After installation, then we are going to do something great and out of it. So I have installed my exam. So if you are finding it difficult to install exam on your system, you can check some tutorial on how to install exam on your system. So I have installed exam on my system. So I will just go to localhost. That's just it. I'll go to localhost. But before then, I have to on my server. This is my exam here installed. Double click on it. It will come up this way. So you have to start these two services. This is the two services we are going to make use of. At least for you to be a PHP developer, at least you must understand what I am talking about. But if you are not a PHP developer, just an ordinary user, I will guide you into this. So you just have to start these two services. These are the two services we are going to use. So they are all seems great here. So after then I type on localhost on my web address. Then I click on enter. Now it seems I have installed exam successfully on my system. Then I will go to PHP my admin. Now on my PHP my admin, so I'll have to create my database before importing the data from from the file I have downloaded it online. Now I have to create a new database. I will go to databases. Then I will have to create a new database called NLPHP, Nairaland PHP. Then I click on go. Then after the Nairaland PHP, it will take me into nodes tables found in the database. So all I have to do now, I don't have to do anything, just to import that .sql file or the database file you have on your downloaded script. I will go to import, browse, then find the where you, I think I have one on my desktop here. Okay, Nairaland scripts. Then you import the database file from here. After you import the database file from here, click on open, then boom, click on go. Everything seems to be okay. Then after then, all you have to do is to create a folder. So when you install your exam, you go to your OS drive and you see this folder called exam. So you click on it. After you can click on it, you go to a folder called htdocs. You click on htdocs. Now this is where you are going to drop your file. Now like here, I have my file called Nairaland Software, NL Software. So I open on it, as you can see. So all I need to do is to change my database address to the one I have. So I will come straight to, all right, this is what we are going to look for. And click on save, then you double click on it, boom, it opens. So this is it. So all I need to do is to change my address, is to change my database name to NLPHP. That's just it. That's just all. So when you're installing, you'll be asked to put your web roots and your URL. So if in case you don't you're having difficulty in installing that, you can manually change it from here. So that is that. So I have successfully installed my Nairaland forum script. All I have to do now is to go to my localhost/NL scripts. You can see now. Sorry, NL software. All right, I have successfully installed my Nairaland script here. So boom, that is it. Everything seems great now. So your default login details are on the footer description of this video. So boom, you are good to go. So for example, now I have disconnected. Let me disconnect my website and see how it will look like. So if you don't have a website, internet, this is what it will look like. Now if you don't have internet on your system, this is what it will look like. Or if your product has expired, this is what it will look like. So you must use our internet to run these scripts. So if you don't have any internet plan, please, you cannot run this both on localhost or on the server. So I have to connect it back to my network. Then boom, it happens. All right, so this is it. Thank you for installing Nairaland scripts. We're pleased to help you in whatever issue you are having. Please subscribe and like or share this video if you like it. Thank you.